Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Monday, December 1, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. How are you today?
Hi, David. Good morning. I am fine, thanks. And you?
I am good, but tired. Need this coffee bad.
Me too, poured mine already. Strong black.
Smart choice? I take mine with a little milk.
Good, it wakes you up slow.
Yeah, hey, busy week ahead?
Yes, project meetings all day.
Sales calls for me. Non-stop?
Coffee first, helps a lot.
True. Did you see the news this morning?
Some what news?
That shooting 2 National Guard guys.
Oh yes, near the White House.
Crazy, just blocks away.
Scary, right in the city.
Ambush attack, they say.
Bad, who does that?
No idea. Makes you think.
About safety here at work?
Yes, we have security, but still.
Our building checks IDs.
Good. Sales team visits clients.
Projects have outside teams too.
Need to watch out more.
Talk to boss about it?
Maybe share the worry?
Smart, everyone feels it.
Reminds me of old days.
What old days?
Refugee program news.
From before, Biden time?
Yes, safety talks then.
Now it comes back.
People worry again.
Hope no more trouble.
Me too, bad for calm.
In business, clients nervous.
Sales slow if scared.
Projects delay too.
Keep eyes open, okay?
Yes, thanks for saying.
No problem. Coffee better now?
Yes, warms me up. Another news you hear?
What one?
Those 2 teenage boys.
Boys, tell me.
Blackmailed online, sad end.
Oh no, huh?
Apps and phones, bad people.
Awful, teens too young.
Lives online all time.
Yes, my kids same.
Watch them close.
Try hard now.
Office same risk.
What mean?
Internet here, be careful.
Company rules, yes.
No personal shares.
I tell sales team.
Good, they travel.
Hotels Wi-Fi. Danger.
Projects use cloud.
Hackers love that.
Train everyone.
Boss does classes.
Helps one mistake big.
Like movie hacks.
Meal now scary.
Use strong passwords.
2-step 2. Family talks it.
Good, share tips.
Kids listen slow.
Keep trying, worth it. Third news tariffs.
Tariffs yes.
Holiday lists, prices up.
Saw that bad.
Gifts cost more now.
Shopping hard.
Sales feel it first.
Customers say no. Budget's tight.
Boss talks cuts.
Projects same, less money.
Holidays coming fast.
Family plans change.
Buy local maybe.
Try but higher still. Economy talks everywhere.
News says more soon.
Watch our jobs.
Sales adapt quick.
Projects plan long.
Team up good.
Yes, coffee chats help.
Best time day.
Relax a bit.
Forget stress short.
Back to real soon.
Meeting at 10 for me.
Project update mine.
Prep your slides.
Yes, all night almost. You calls ready?
List done, notes too. Clients nice ones.
Good luck them.
Thanks, you two.
Team big today?
5 people Zoom mix.
Hybrid now normal.
Miss face talks.
But saves time.
Travel less good.
Gas prices up too.
All connects.
News affects work.
Stay informed helps.
Read quick each day.
Apps push news.
Careful fake ones.
Check sources good.
Like big papers.
CNN, Nuiti trust.
Yes, facts matter.
Opinions fly fast.
Think own way. Coffee low now.
One more sip. Weekend what do?
Family movie, quiet.
Nice. Kids happy?
Yes, popcorn fun.
My park play.
Cold but good.
Fresh air best.
Work week long.
Balance key.
Try hard?
Gym after work.
Maybe, tired now.
Tomorrow then.
Good plan.
Lunch together.
Cafeteria, yes.
Talk more news.
Or sports.
Football big now.
Watch games?
Sunday yes.
Cheers team.
Rivals hate.
Fun rivalries?
Office bets too.
Lose pay coffee?
Huh? I win last.
Lux time no.
Challenge on.
Deal. Time check clock.
9:45. Rush soon.
Desk calls.
Emails pile up.
Answer fast.
Priority first.
Boss likes that.
Praise feels good.
Hard work pays.
Team wins big.
Projects on track.
Sales numbers up. Month end close.
Push last days.
Coffee power.
Secret weapon. See clients today?
2 meetings out.
Drive safe.
Traffic bad.
Early start.
Yes, back late.
Dinner wait.
Family understands.
Good support.
Luck have it.
Work family too.
Chats like this.
Builds trust.
Ideas share easy.
Problems solve fast. Morning routine best.
Every day same.
Comfort good.
Change scares.
Adapt we do.
News teaches that.
Lessons daily.
Smarter now.
English practice too.
What?
Listening news?
Good for skills.
Office talk clear.
Accents mix.
Learn all.
Podcasts help.
Short ones best.
Commute time.
Yes, drive learn.
Multitask win.
Life hacks.
Share more.
Next coffee.
Promise.
Clock 10 now.
Go time.
Work hard.
You too.
See you later.
Have a good day.
Thanks, you too.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.